Sandusky International produces some of the largest centrifugal castings in the world, offering unmatched expertise in dimensions, properties, and quality. Now we are raising the bar even higher. Our new 2,250-degree heat treat furnace expands our ability to process advanced alloys entirely in-house, including super austenitic stainless steels and nickel-based materials. This means shorter lead times and greater flexibility for high corrosion and high temperature applications. The result is a single-source solution for critical industries such as energy, process industries, and defense. Designed for the world's toughest environments, Sandusky's advanced heat treat capability delivers strength, reliability, and scale your project's demand. Contact Sandusky International to review your project requirements and see how our expanded heat treat capability can support your success.